So as y'all know, I recently moved to downtown San Diego, and since being down here, I've learned two things. One, always look up whenever you walk because you never know what's on the ground in front of you. And two, parking is a huge pain. Since I'm a city boy now, I figured I might as well look into getting myself one of those scooters since we can't afford to be paying $20+ an hour just to park. So luckily my guys over at Unagiscooters hooked us up with their Model 1 Classic scooter. This has been a huge time and money saver. Boy's been getting a bit older, so time is of the essence nowadays, and we can't be spending an hour in traffic looking for parking just to go 5 blocks down the road. And one of the best parts of using Unagi is affordability. Unagi lets you either rent the scooter for a monthly price or buy it outright. My model, the Model 1 Classic, can be rented for $59 a month, which gives you 12 miles of maximum range and lets you go up to 20 miles per hour. Now, if you're feeling real dangerous, you can get the next model above, which is the Model 1 Voyager, and can be rented out for $79 a month. This puppy can take you 25 miles and at a max speed of 20 miles an hour. Renting it also gives you access to their all access membership, where you can get free maintenance plus theft and damage insurance. To be honest, it's already saved me a bunch of time and actually has made me want to leave the apartment a little bit more to just explore or just go to like a coffee shop to do some work. If you're interested, they're letting me hook you guys up with a code for the first month free. The link and discount code will be in my bio. Hope y'all enjoy. Peace.